Welcome, gaming enthusiasts! Today, I'm on a mission to unravel the mysteries surrounding the highly anticipated PS5 Pro. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll delve into its potential release date, speculate on groundbreaking features, scrutinize expected specs, discuss the probable price tag, and address the burning question: do we really need a PS5 Pro? Credentials and sources. Before we jump into the juicy details, let's establish some credibility. Last year, I accurately predicted the arrival of the PS5 Slim, and now it proudly sits beside my TV. My research isn't just based on hunches. I rely on credible sources like Tom Henderson, Grub, Tom's Guide, TZ2, and Red Gaming Tech. These individuals have consistently proven their mettle in the gaming community, delivering accurate leaks and rumors that turned out to be spot on. Release date speculations. The PS5 Pro's release date has been a hot topic, and recent leaks suggest a September 2024 release, corroborated by gaming insider Grub. Tom Henderson, another reliable source, adds weight to the speculation, pointing towards a November 2024 launch. There's even buzz about a potential shared release window with the Nintendo Switch 2. TZ2, a renowned Rockstar Games insider, fuels the excitement by revealing that mid-gen upgrade development kits for the PS5 Pro are already in the hands of developers. Specs and technological advancements. Moving on to the technical aspects, Sony is reportedly working on proprietary hardware and software for frame generation technology similar to NVIDIA's DLSS. This innovation could potentially boost frame rates by up to 50%, a significant leap. The ambiguity surrounding the specs, ranging from RDNA 2 to RDNA 3, and mentions of alternative FSR technology, keeps us on our toes. We explore the possibilities, weighing the importance of compatibility with the standard PS5. The PS5 Pro's codename, Trinity, hints at 3 significant improvements: faster storage, next-gen upscaling, and dedicated ray tracing processing. While SSD speeds are already impressive, more speed is always welcome. However, the real need might be for increased storage space to accommodate the ever-expanding size of gameplay videos. Enhancements and wishlist. A wishlist for the PS5 Pro includes addressing immersion-breaking elements like pop-ins, improving texture filtering, and banishing blurry textures. The hope is for a true next-gen console that provides an unparalleled gaming experience. Additionally, a strong desire exists to bid farewell to 30 FPS, marking it as a mortal sin on the PS5 Pro. Pricing challenges. Pricing is a touchy subject, especially in times of high inflation rates. Contrary to expectations, the revised PS5 model hit the market at a higher price point than anticipated. Retail prices for various models and bundles range between $450 and $500, but some stores are pushing it to $700 to $750. Brace yourselves, the PS5 Pro might come with an even higher price tag, reflecting market trends and economic conditions that design expectations. In terms of appearance, the PS5 Pro is expected to follow the modular approach seen in the revised model, featuring a detachable disk drive. While the aesthetic might resemble the current version, we anticipate it to maintain the dimensions of the previous PS5 model. The burning question: do we need it? As we wrap up this exploration, the critical question remains: do we really need a PS5 Pro? We'll explore this in a dedicated video weighing the pros and cons of this potential addition to your gaming setup. In conclusion, the PS5 Pro promises to be a game changer, but with uncertainties surrounding its release, specs, and price, the gaming community is left eagerly awaiting official announcements. Stay tuned for more updates as we navigate the ever-evolving landscape of next-gen gaming.